Good morning. I'm Saul Reisman here at Saul's Automotive, and today we're going to talk a little bit more about suspension systems. In the state of Colorado, we see varying degrees of suspension designs in all makes and models of cars, whether it be lifted Jeeps and trucks that want to go higher, faster, and stronger, to lowered sedans and sport coupes that want to be as low to the ground and as highway capable as possible. Here at Saul's Automotive, we can service all of them for whatever your desire may be. Whether it's keeping the factory suspension performing the way it did brand new off the showroom floor, or if you desire something a little bit better or a little above and beyond. In the case of today's vehicle, we have a 2003 Honda Civic SI two-door coupe. The owner of the vehicle came to us with some very specific requests about how they wanted the suspension to operate. As a result, we custom built several pieces and parts of the suspension and worked with many independent manufacturers so that we could get the best product possible to put this vehicle together and keep our owner happy. Let's take a quick look. In the rear of the vehicle, we have an independent corner for either side of the suspension. To ensure that we got the proper ride height, custom adjustable coilovers were installed on the vehicle. As you can see, the threaded portion and the double lock ring, these are completely adjustable so that the spring can be moved up and down to affect the ride height of the vehicle without affecting the actual shock dampering of the vehicle. So the owner can choose the ride height he wishes. Maybe in the summer he wants to be lower, and in the wintertime set it a little higher for more ground clearance. Because moving the suspension around can affect the geometry of it, in this case, instead of the suspension arms being perfectly parallel, with the vehicle lowered, the arms would be angled upwards, providing not so happy angles for some of the control arms. We've gone ahead and installed some aftermarket control arms that were designed at a shorter length and with an adjustable mount so that we can match the angle. And as you can see, this is just about parallel to the ground, which is at an ideal position for it. Additionally, since lowering the vehicle will put added stress onto the suspension, we've gone ahead and installed this Beaks cross brace across the rear of the vehicle. This gives a tremendous more rigid, stable surface for these arms to mount to rather than just the body of the vehicle. This will allow the vehicle to physically perform quicker and more responsively in corners and should be able to give it a little bit more of a race car type handling to it. Take a look up front. In the front end of the vehicle, to the same extent, we've installed adjustable coilovers so that the owner can physically choose the ride height they really wish this vehicle to sit at. Now, in Colorado, year-round, this vehicle may be a little bit too low for typical use. As a result, come wintertime, when the owner would like to pick it back up and put a little bit larger, more aggressive tire on, all it takes is a few adjustments with a couple of wrenches, and we can physically lift or lower the vehicle as desired. Whether your vehicle simply needs the factory suspension components kept up in good shape due to Colorado's oh-so-pleasant roads, you can definitely take care of that. Or if you desire something a little bit above and beyond, whether it's to lift or lower your vehicle, or you simply want to get better performance, better responsiveness, and a smoother ride out of your car, please give us a call at Saul's Automotive. We can not only keep your factory suspension in optimal condition, but we can give you some great ideas and help make a great game plan for a lifelong care for your vehicle. If you have any questions or concerns, please give us a call. We can be reached at 303-919-7769. Thank you.